Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to walk you through the process of creating professional realistic mockup for your product and design. So grab your coffee, open your Photoshop and let's create it. Well, make sure you have a high quality background image, and this is the design image. We will transform this image into a beautiful mockup. So first thing first, make a duplicate of the background and then select the entire box by choosing quick selection tool. Now create layer mask. Now create new layer, right click on it and create clipping mask. So now go to filter and choose vanishing point, and let's create perspective plane. Hold the control key and drag it to make a duplicate, and then adjust all the points. And next select the design image, go to edit and choose cut, or you can use Ctrl plus X. And now again select the clipping mask layer and go to filter and choose vanishing point. Before adding your design into mockup, make sure all the points are prospectively aligned, and also make some adjustments if it has to be required. And now press Ctrl plus V to paste the design image and drop it into the plane. Adjust it a little bit, and once you are satisfied, click on OK. And that's it. Finally, let's make the last adjustment. Change the blend mode to linear burn. That's it. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching.